Back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install Homebrew on your M1 Mac. So follow my steps and I'll be showing you how you can install Homebrew on your own Macintosh machine with M1 chips in it. So let's open terminal, and I've copied the installation link and I'm gonna paste it in the terminal. Inside my terminal I'm gonna enter my password, and as you can see, there it goes, the error: Homebrew is not yet supported for on the ARM processors, and you need to install on the Rosetta 2. Now there are two installation methods for Homebrew right now. There is the native installation and there is the Rosetta 2 installation. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the installation for Rosetta 2. It's quite easy and simple, and just follow my steps and you will be getting very easily on it. So first step is going to, let's just quit the terminal, command Q, and now let's open terminal again and command click on terminal to open this utilities, to open the file location where the terminal is stored. Now double click on it, click on get info. Now most importantly, quit this terminal, the open terminal. Now click on open using Rosetta and quit it. Okay, now if you open terminal, okay, so as you can see our terminal is being open. Now if we just copy this link and paste it in our terminal, enter our password, and there you go, it is being installed. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like this video. It was a quick and short tutorial for installing the Homebrew in your M1 Macintosh machines. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.